Before we go into the next, is it Sur le Cou-de-pied. Sur le Cou-de-pied is basically wrapping your leg with your foot, stretched foot. So of course you have to have a beautiful turnout, beautiful feet to wrap like this, which is your hand is doing it, so your foot has to be able to do this. So we're going to go battement tendu, opens to the side, and the leg is going to lift, and you're going to wrap that foot right around your ankle. Okay, the leg should not be above the calf muscle or here. Yeah, it's right your calf muscle finish. You wrap that foot around. Okay, hold on there. All right, now you see when I'm pushing those toes back to try to wrap that foot, her knee goes forward. Okay, so you really need to stay on the supporting leg, not pronating. It's very, very difficult for her. And open that knee to the side. Okay, again, stay on your supporting leg and open that knee to the side. So that's kind of like where the position has to be. I'm going to actually turn right now her a little bit this way, grab the bar, and then like you can see the heel is in front and the toes are hiding. You don't want to show the toes right here. Yeah, you want to actually bring this right here and then keep that heel, keep that heel forward and wrap that foot around. Okay, so that's your Sur le Cou-de-pied. Let's turn facing to the bar. And then Sur le Cou-de-pied, do you see how the foot actually wraps around behind? So you have to see those toes are grabbing that foot, literally. Very important, you're going to pronate a lot here, so you keep that pronation down and use those muscles to open that knee. Open that knee.
Coup-de-pied actually can be as well as in front, and actually coup-de-pied could be in the back later in the classes when kids go on to releve and on flat as well.
Okay, that's your Sur le Cou-de-pied.